Good morning, everyone. I'm Tanish Avnish Singh from Adarshila Global School, Class 9, and my topic is environmental issues and concerns. I have made a working model of a factory which is producing some smoke. My aim is to spread awareness about environmental issues. One of the biggest problems in the 21st century is definitely global warming. Before I explain what global warming is, I'd like to tell you about two types of resources: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are those which can be renewed and are unlimited. For example, solar energy and wind energy. Non-renewable resources are those which cannot be renewed and are limited. For example, coal and petroleum. Now I am going to explain what global warming is. Global warming is a long-term process of the increase of temperature of planet Earth, and it has been observed since pre-industrial era. The temperature of Earth has risen by 1 degree Celsius over these years, which and this change in temperature is mostly affecting the poles where most of the Earth's ice is located, which is melting it and is responsible for the rise of sea levels. Now I am going to give you an example of how dangerous global warming can be. A town named Lytton in Canada experienced 50 degrees Celsius, and the nearby forest burned due to the heat. People were also dying out of heat, and also the forest fire destroyed 90% of the town, which was quite unexpected because Canada is a relatively cold country, and so this increase in temperature caused so many problems for animals, plants, and humans. All of these environmental changes and environmental problems are linked to each other. An increase of even 1 degree Celsius can damage fragile ecosystems around the world, and also it can increase the rate of such phenomena. Researchers say that the temperature can increase to 5 degrees Celsius if we are not careful. The best way to tackle global warming is by introducing carbon taxes. Countries like Mexico, Canada, Argentina, UK, the European Union, which consists of 27 countries, Japan, and New Zealand, and many more, have introduced a carbon tax. What that means is carbon-based fuels are going to be more expensive, and factory owners will have to switch from carbon-based fuels to renewable sources of energy. Hopefully, in the future, the people would be more aware of their surroundings and their environment, and they would surely take care of the planet much better than we do. I hope that planet Earth in the future would be much cleaner than today. Thank you and have a nice day.